Hello and welcome back to TVL's Designs. Today I am making a headband pattern and stay tuned. Okay, today we're going to start off with 2 pieces of paper and I've put them the long way side by side, and I'm going to add some tape just to secure them in place. Then I'm going to get my ruler and I'm going to make this one 11 by 8 inches, and I'm going to create a fold line. That way you don't have to make a very long pattern, but it can be used and you can always, transfer it to a stencil or whatever, something to make a template out of it. But anyway, you can keep this and laminate it. But anyway, so I'm going to go 8 inches down and then 11 across. And as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and finish drawing my line. I'm going to go 8 inches again, turn it around, and 11. So we got 11 by 8 inches. So what I'm going to do next is create an extra line, and I'm just going to write that because I'm going to indicate that this is the side that you will create your fold to make your headband. So as you can see here, I'm going to cut this one out, but you will see I'm going to show you how I fold it once I finish cutting it out. And so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut this one out along the sides, cutting it as straight as possible. Now this is not the best way, but this is a quick way to use what you have at home to make you a pattern if you don't want to spend a lot of money. And starting out, it is what it is. Now you can use a Sharpie so your lines can be darker and more visible, but I'm just kind of using a pen to show you how to throw one together right quick. So this is my fabric, and as you can see, I use it to fold it, and I'm going to cut around it, and that's it. See? Alright, I hope this helped you guys in your headband making process.